Hey guys, how's it going? Another beautiful day out here. Well, I had a feeling. So yesterday I turned on my pump a little stronger, and then turned it right back down. But the pond's a little murkier. I have a feeling it was going to do this. The reason why I thought it was going to do it, A, because I turned the pump on stronger, and B, it just right now with the condition of the bog, it's overloaded. So yeah, it just can't take anything more. So anyhow, it's okay. I'm gonna go in and clean it out and just run the tap a little bit, but that's all right. Okay, so why don't we feed these fish? It's always the best thing. Still pretty damn clear though. It is like my favorite thing to do. So how's everyone's day going? Mine was pretty good. Worked, came back. We never got the pears out to the road. Look, toothless, so big. Actually, I noticed. I was like, I think that fish is probably the biggest in the pond. But yeah. Anyways, back to what I was saying. So they're actually home. So we're gonna go out to the dollar store, get some Bristol board. I made some signs, and then we're gonna set them up and hopefully catch people on the way home. So yeah, the kids want to do it, but they don't want to do it. So yeah, let's see if we can lure these guys out here. Look at these little cattails. Like, look how tiny they are. They're so small compared to like these guys over here. Like short, I would say. They're just like tiny little things. Oh, there's Mr. Alligator. Let's see if we can lure them over here. Never. Probably like, we're full. No, never. There's Goldie coming. Goldie's just like a boss. Yeah, here's the good old pond. Just love it. It was a lot of work. It's still like, you can see like right here. It is wet. There's splash that comes out of it, but like I knew that. Like, for the most part, like on the side, no, it does maybe a bit. No, probably. It's still pretty cool. Pretty proud of this piece. No, look, not really coming. Already full. But yeah, it's looking really good today. Other than, what's this bar? The, little bit of cloudiness, but whatever. There's some, a hollyhock still. I think this is actually a weed, so to say, but it's super nice. I think it's just gonna stay. Oh look, and these are actually opening up to seed. These are the these guys here. They're super pretty. I'm curious if I can try and plant them everywhere. That'd be nice. They're, I can't think of the name for the life of me. But yeah. Oh, look, here's our guy we were talking about yesterday. A brown plain dude. You know. Oh. Bye-bye. But yeah, I'm gonna cut it off here. Yeah, no, I know it's shorter than usual. But as usual, guys, please subscribe. We're up to 741 subscribers, so we're really rocking it. I think posting content all the time is a good thing. So I'm trying to be regular with it. It takes time, but that's okay. That's why I'm doing this. And then yeah, so please subscribe, please like, and share, please. And if you ever see any of my shorts there, I put one out with the pond yesterday. I tried to like do some different things around the yard, or some neat things I see. So please share those too. All right, have a good night.